Okay.
Hello? Hello? Let's play. Okay. Me and Istal gonna play Field Trip Z today. Are you ready, everyone? Like and subscribe to get 1 billion subscribers.
Don't say my nickname that you're calling me right now. Oh my gosh.
Istal is really crazy right now.
Hey! Wait, join me. I told you to join me, you dummy.
No, it doesn't work. You're in lead.
Are you dumb?
Are you?
Ano ba? Bakit ka nagsasalita ng ganyan?
Flatted. It's flatted.
Flat baby. Okay, we're in the game. And that's... Hey, Istal.
Follow me.
Istal, follow me. You're the one who's gonna follow me. Istal.
No, don't go to hardcore mode. Come. Faster. It will fill up.
No, I think it's too late. Get out first. Get out first. Get out.
Okay. Thank you. I get out.
Okay, follow me.
Come.
Okay, where?
I'm in the arena now.
Where?
Are you in the bus?
Where? What arena? Oh, here. I forgot. Wait, where are you here? No, teleport failed. I will press okay. Wait, where are you, Stal?
Wait. Go, leave.
Okay, but there's still more people coming. Why it's too laggy?
Leave. I said leave.
Okay.
Guys, it's very chaotic right now. My friend Wiljon can't listen to me.
Can you stop freaking saying that?
Okay, let's just play the strongest battlegrounds. LOL.
Lol, you're the lol one.
You're a lolo.
Wait.
Okay, let's team up.
I will tell you something, Istal. You can talk to the subscribers, likes, or viewers and me too, okay? What is freaking doing?
Guys, subscribe to me. Unsubscribe to him. No. He literally has 26 subscribers. Alright, join me. Oh,
Or else I'm gonna punch you on the head.
you can. Bro, what the heck? Why are you at Field Trip Z?
Bro, no! Bro, it's not even loading.
Oh. Reset.
It's not reset. It's not moving. It's not even moving.
Wait. Don't press it. You can press but not drag. Wait! Okay, sorry, you can join me now.
Okay.
Join me.
Okay, everyone.
Bro,
Oh no! My charger! My charger!
bro, I heard you crying on the microphone.
Bro!
You cry, baby? Oh, hell no.
Easy. I'm easy.
No one cares?
No one cares.
Easy.
Easy peasy lemon squeeze. My charger again.
I don't know why I'm hiding behind the skateboard right now.
Wait, you just spawned there?
Yup.
I think it was just
fun.
It's not easy. Easy lemon. Oh, where are you? Let's team up together.
Someone's killing me.
Wait, when you're alone,
Yeah.
wait, hey, let me tell you something. When you're alone in strongest battlegrounds,
Yes.
I see you. Come here. We're gonna get a blade shot. Hey, where are you going? I'm gonna attack that guy.
Go.
Oh, it's so laggy.
Go.
Yeah, go. Okay, punch. Help me.
I have you talking, by the way. I didn't mean to punch you.
Sayota.
Bro just died. I will change to Deadly Ninja. Let's change to Deadly Ninja.
Oh,
So we can double explosive check range.
no, bro, I need 5 seconds left.
1 second.
Bro, what did I reset to? Yes, I'm on Deadly Ninjas.
Okay, now help me.
Okay, where are you? I found it so far. Fight me, okay? Fight me, okay?
No, someone's saving me. You liar. Retard.
Bro, no! Bro! I'm trying to find you! But it's too... Bro, somebody's too powerful than me! I'm a second rider! Bro, you missing that you thought that I'm a traitor! And now you say I'm a traitor!
Bro, be quiet. Are you still recording? They can hear us.
Bro, I'm gonna rage quit.
No memory.
Bro, I'm gonna do some emotes.
Saving now will save you state until we feel back.
How to emote?
My memory is going down. Because of you, bro. I can't play properly, though.
You too! My memory is...
Because of your Wi-Fi. Oh, it's my Roblox memory. I got disconnected because of you. You were arguing.
Blah!
Blah.
Blah!
Blah.
Bro, it has high internet, but...
You have no internet.
Bro! Because I have so much memory in my tablet.
So?
Let me text... I will check something.